Let's discuss a few examples of could have and their third form. This pattern expresses missed opportunities or possibilities in the past. Something was possible, but it didn't happen. For example, I could have taken that job, but I chose not to. He could have been a great writer, but he didn't practice enough. So that's missed opportunity. This can also be used to express past ability, past unused ability. She could have solved the problem, but she didn't. She could have helped us, but she didn't. We could have finished the project earlier. This also expresses regret. For example, I could have done a great job, but I didn't. That's a regret. It may be about criticism. For example, he could have apologized, but he didn't. He kept on arguing, so we are criticizing his behavior. We can also use this to speculate about the past event, to make a guess about the past event, or make assumptions about the past event. For example, it could have rained yesterday. That's why the ground is wet. Another example, she could have left her phone at home. So it's a guess about the past time situation. So I hope it helps. Could plus have plus the third form of the verb. Thank you very much.